Hello and welcome to a video where I'm going to be showing you how to do Ti-Gye, the second purple belt form of Tae-kwon-do. We're going to start with an outside block, open hand groin strike, high-low forearm blocks, pivot right, outside block, open hand groin strike, high-low forearm block, low X block, twin high punch, front kick, middle punch, mountain block, right foot sweep, mountain block, step and mountain block, step 180 degrees and mountain block, step and mountain block, step and mountain block, step 180 degrees and mountain block, low pseudo, grab behind neck, pull hands to knee and key up, pivot and low pseudo, left front kick, finger thrust to eyes, step and low pseudo, front kick, finger thrust to eyes, right hand to groin strike, low left block, pull hand back, jumping X block, land in low X block and key up, step out twin fist block, pivot 270 degrees counterclockwise, low pseudo, circular scoop block, pivot 180 degrees low pseudo, circular scoop block, right scoop block, left scoop block, middle punch, and key up. And that is going to sum it up for this video. If you enjoyed or were helped in any way, shape, or form, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.